Wow, okay. Buy Filipino food. Yan. Been a long time before we've been here. We've been in the store. See how much? Whoa, 303, 40, 41. Oh my goodness, see? That's a
That's
lot.
normal prices in Canada.
That's a lot of money to spend.
That's a half a stereo system.
Wow.
That's the big screen TV that you wanted.
I know.
That's the extra. Well, I mean, we still got a decent one. Not tiny
Yeah.
not tiny like that one there, eh?
No.
You want a bigger one than that, right? That's just sitting there doing nothing.
Yeah.
You just donate that one. Give it away.
I know. And malunggay. I miss balunggay. I did not eat balunggay for a long time.
People wonder if they,
Now we're gonna have
well, I don't know
some
exactly what that meant, but I've just had
malunggay is a vegetables.
Okay, no, I'm just
It's a name, malunggay.
Yeah, so I'm a long guy. I'm tall.
Longgay, yeah.
I'm not a vegetable, but I'm tall. No, I know what you mean. I know. I'm just kidding. I'm cheap.
Okay. Kala ko na iwan kung ano, naka-on. Yan. Ito, magawa ako ng ginatan. At ito ay isda. Na-miss ko ang ano. Ito ang ano yan, chicken liver. Oh, ito ang ano namin, oh. Oh. Kahit itong isa, swordfish. Oh. Ipiprito ko lang ito. Kasi ayaw ng anak ko ng ano, ng linaga. Oh. Ito, oh, pampano. Anuhon ko na lang ito. Prito. Pero hindi na ngayon. May ano na ako, oh, may piprito akong ano yung pork. Yan. Yan ang ano, ang inano namin. Shopping ng pagkain. Nakakamiss ang ano eh, yung root ng pagkain ng Pinoy. Yan. Ito, oh. Gata, maluto ako ng ginatan. Yan na. Yan, aking ano yung ano yan? Binayad. More than $300. Ito ang binayad, oh, see? 300 ano? 303 and 41 cents. Yan ang ano. Binayad. Kaya makain na ako. At ako ay nagutom na. Oh, ito ang aking ipapalaman. Ito, oh. Yan. Maluto ako ng ginatan. Okay. God bless everyone. Tapos na naman ang pag-shopping. Okay, God bless.